Hello and welcome to this quick tip. This quick tip is about how to find a downed model using a little Lua script that's on this radio. Now this is a Radiomaster TX16S running EdgeTX and I have a Express LRS connection set up here. Now in this video I did a whole thing talking about how you can use the data and telemetry that you get back to the radio to find your model if it is still powered. The cool thing about that is the way I did the video is it was aimed at all radio types that send back some kind of telemetry. Now normally the way it works, if I just go into here and go and show you all the telemetry functions, you can see here that this one at the top called 1 RSS is a -14, -15 number. It's kind of showing you the loss. And what you can do is as you move the radio around that it will change, because the way it works is the most sensitive part of the Express LRS antenna is actually this bit. And when it's pointing towards the antennas on the receiver, it gives the strongest signal. And that means it's pointing towards it and you can use that to find your model. I'll put links down below to that video if you're interested. However, if you have a modern radio like this that's up to date, then you may have spotted something in the Lua scripts. If I go into the system menu, there's obviously Express LRS stuff in here, but really interestingly, this one here is called Model Locator. If I click on that, it will start beeping and give you a number and also show you which sensor it's being used for. So as I point it towards the receiver, I get -3, -4, a very high signal. As I point it away, then I get about -24, -18. So even very close like this, I've still got a pretty good idea which direction the antennas are in. Now it does make a beeping noise, so it's handy in the field and it's a little bit easier to see than trying to watch the telemetry. Let me just come out of this so that it make that horrible noise stop. So I just wanted to make you aware of this. If your radio has something called Model Locator by RSSI, go and have a look at it now, make sure it is, put it in the back of your memory, because that could be a fantastic thing to use if your model crashes and you need to find it in a field. Thank you for watching the video. If you watch my videos and find them useful, then please take a moment to hit the like and subscribe button. It helps the channel a lot. If you really like what I'm doing here, you can become a Patreon and support the time I spend helping others and get access to lots of exclusive benefits. Link is in the video description. Remember that all the videos on the channel are organized into playlists, so you can easily use those playlists to find all the videos on a subject that you are interested in. Add Painless 360 to your searches on Google and YouTube, and it'll help you find my content for any particular topic. Thanks again for watching, and as always, happy flying.